I was sent this pickleball sling bag and it is incredible. So many places to it. So let me show you all the details. Here in the front is a bungee area if you want to use that. There's a clip up here. You can put your paddles in here if you wish, but there's also another place for them too. And then here you have a zipper pocket area. Inside, you have a little detachable hang tag, and then you have places for your phone or wallet, anything you may want to put in here, multiple pockets. Then we're gonna open the bigger section over here, and you see that there's space for another paddle if you want, and you also have this area where it goes up for the handle, plus behind that paddle, there's a pocket as well that's quite deep right there, and the back part is nice and padded. Now on the back, we have a little secret zipper area right here that you can use. We have two net sides. They have a little bungee. You can fit balls there, and then also a slim water bottle fits as well. Then let me show you, let me just pop this back in. There we go. On the back side, we have the sling style. So without zipping this up too much, we put that on and just sling style right there. Or you can take the zipper, unzip it, and now you have a backpack style. So if you want to wear it like a backpack, you can, and then these straps are adjustable as well. Another cool feature of this, so you have your carry handle up here, and you have a hook. So if you have a chain link fence and you want to hook your bag to it, you can hook your bag up to that. So such a convenient, awesome carry case for all your pickleball gear that I think you're gonna love.